Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an investor's dream located in Wardville, Manchester. This modern 10-unit, 14 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms in total is one of the creme de la creme in Mandeville. Adorned with complimentary finishings and spacious bedrooms, an electronic gate, water tanks and a gym, JPS, NWC, Digicel, Lime access, and ample parking, tenants would flock towards. The land area of this complex is approximately 13,260 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this complex is US 1.2 million or Jamaican $184.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.